What's up, guys? So today just wanted to give you guys a quick tip. I've been getting this question quite often, and I think it's kind of confusing, especially to somebody that is not in the car industry, and that is, what is G.A.P? So G.A.P stands for Guaranteed Asset Protection. Okay? So that is confusing on its own. The way that a G.A.P works simply is if you are in an accident and your insurance deems it a total loss, whatever the insurance does not cover is covered by the G.A.P. Now, to make sure that you guys understand, G.A.P is not an insurance. It is completely separate from an insurance. So the way that it kind of works is, to put it even more simple with an example, let's just say that you bought a car and you're driving on the road 2 days later, and let's just say that you still owe $15,000 on that car. And somebody on the street comes and they hit you. Nobody wants that to happen, right? But accidents do happen. And insurance comes along, tells you it's going to be a total loss. You don't have the car anymore, and they tell you we can pay out for $10,000. What happens? You're left owing $5,000 on a car you don't have anymore. So if you had a G.A.P, this is where the G.A.P kicks in. It covers any remaining balance that the insurance did not cover to begin with, okay? So G.A.P is completely optional, but one of the things that here at Westland Auto Sales we get the privilege of seeing is how many accidents do happen. See, we offer in-house financing, so we're able to finance the customer directly through our company, and one of the things that we see happen often is accidents. They happen left and right, and we never plan for accidents. We can never plan for accidents, and so having insurance but also having a G.A.P is definitely something that is useful. So it's optional, but recommended. So my suggestion to you guys, the quick tip, make sure that whatever dealership you go to, at least ask about your G.A.P, okay? Find out some pricing and find out if it's actually something that's worth your time. Make sure that at least you're fully informed with everything that you do. So that's our quick tip for you guys today.
Hey Mark, what are you doing?
Just giving the customers a quick tip.
Ah, nice. Can you do the next one?
Yeah. You got it.